Welcome to another open box. And I started these open boxes so people can see what I'm getting, because I've got a room full of parts that I hadn't reviewed or even opened up yet. But I started opening this stuff up because I need to get the reviews done and what all. But anyway, this one showed up today. I'm removing the steering wheel that I put in the truck. It was too light, and we're going to go back with one that matches the wrap, which is that dark mahogany wood wrap. That way it'll match it. The one I put in was light, and I just set it in there to kind of see how it look anyway, but I'm going to be removing it. Let's open this here up and see what we got. I did get this off Amazon. A lot of people don't like Amazon, but you know, when you buy from Amazon, I know it's probably marked up a little bit, so Jeff make it a little penny. And it's it's time. If I can get something in a couple of days rather than 2 or 3 weeks, or like this box here on this, I got the headliner out of it. So wait 130 days, I can get it 2 or 3 days. And we may pay extra $5 or $10 to go and get it here to get the job done. You're still buying from a particular company, like was it Forever or whatever. You're still gonna be buying from them people. I mean, they gotta send it from somebody. Jeff ain't making this stuff at his house. Let's open this up and see what we got. You're gonna really like this one. Better. Shoot, this ain't gonna be too good. This so it was delivered earlier, about, I don't know what, 10-15 minutes ago, I guess, prior to this video. It's packed well. I didn't order the one with the horn button and all that. That's because I've got it. The one I have has got all the adapters, the horn buttons, and what all the screws, everything I need. All I needed was a different steering wheel that will match my my stuff I've got in there. Oh, see, you got this thing here taped up too. See what we got. I tell you already, it's the wrong one. I'm going to show a picture of the one I ordered. Let's see what the wood looks like on this one. Yeah, I'm going to show you the one I ordered, and I'm going to compare it with the wrap. It's kind of like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get, I guess. So, we'll throw a picture of the one, like I said, the one I ordered, and we'll send this back over there. One of them things, you know, it's all right. It could be, set it back in the box. Let me get my tape. I'm going to tape this thing back up. We just have to deal with it another time, I guess. I got tape over here. I got some. That way I can get the thing taped back up here and they can have it back. This will go in my return stack. So, well, that didn't go as planned. But hey, we got time. You know, we still got the headliner. I still got where that piece went to. Oh, I gotta get that built, matching the headliner and all. So we got stuff to do. We got stuff to wait. But I really want it in there and look at it. I don't want to show a picture of the one I ordered, but I will. Just for the heck of it, you know. It's gonna be kind of ending surprise on the conversion, but I'll go ahead and show it. Some will like it, some may not. Hey, it makes me happy. That's what I'm going with. So check it out. See what y'all think about it. Let me know. And I did break the finger. One of those things too, you know. Broke the finger. So today, I was just going to do a little bit of lighter work to it. I got some painting done. I'll throw some pictures in there. Episode 14 tomorrow night. Show how far progress, what we've been doing. But man, this thing is rolling on. We're going to get some more done. It's a waiting game. But anyway, check this out. Let me know what y'all think about it. I think it'll be alright in there. And I'll see y'all tomorrow night.